Hey guys, if you want to learn this simple, beginner friendly makeup look, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and placing it all over my eyelids. This will hide redness and darkness under your skin and creates that smooth canvas for your eyeshadow. Then I'm going on with a setting powder to set my base. This will create a smooth base and it will make blending much easier. For eyeshadow, today I'm going for Huda Beauty palette and grabbing this shade. I'm applying it as a transition shade, and with a small blending brush, I'm using a circular motion and going back and forth. Then I'm going on with a bigger blending brush to blend out the edges. This will create a smooth blend. To add some shimmer, I'm using this shade and applying with a flat brush. I used a little bit too much, but don't worry, I'm gonna put it all over my lids. You can see that I'm just putting it under that transition shade. Make sure that you gently blend that glitter so that there is no any patchiness. Then with this Maybelline eyeliner, today I'm going for a winged liner. I'm starting from the outer corner by creating a small triangular shape, then using the product little by little and going on in the inner corner as well. I'm creating a thin wing liner for this look, and this eyeliner is really easy to work and it is very beginner friendly as well. Then I'm using this shade for my lower lashes and placing it on the outer corner. I'm placing with a flat brush, then I go on with a fluffy brush to blend the edges. And with this Smashbox Superfan mascara, I'm coating the product on my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. Make sure that you coat it evenly and there is no any clumpiness. And you can stop here or also apply some falsies. This is the final easy and quick makeup look that you guys can try it out. Please subscribe to my channel if you learned something from this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.